low light.
Global pandemic. The virus has infected tens of thousands of people in 74 countries. However, Australia's level of alert remains unchanged.
You can sweat at me.
Hospital over the death of a patient. Rebecca Murray died of a common, treatable hemorrhage after a caesarean
That's
section.
better.
Drug shortages, blood transfusion delays and inexperienced nursing staff contributed to the tragedy.
And the Commonwealth Bank has been slammed for a surprise interest rate increase. It's lifted its variable rate by 10 basis points, which adds $18 a month to the average loan. The bank blames the cost of raising funds.
A man has died after being repeatedly tasered during a standoff with Queensland Police. It's claimed the mentally ill victim launched himself at two officers with a metal bar. Queensland's Police Commissioner has defended his officers, saying they had used capsicum spray earlier, but that failed to subdue him.
The taser was used several times.
The 39-year-old died as he lay handcuffed on the ground. The incident is being investigated and the junior officers will be counselled.
Australians have been hacking little Vegemite for almost 60 years.
They obviously tasted them probably 2 or 3 times.
Rumours that a
to
new
try and
version
subdue
of the
them.
popular spread may soon be
And
launched.
then there was the handcuff and the might was on the ground and he died.
Australians have been marching to the Vegemite beat since 1923, the popular black spread a family favourite. Rumours its makers may be about to make over the original and create a new product, perhaps for foreign markets. The second coming, possibly a less salty, cream cheese-based brown concoction. Here's some we prepared earlier.
Nice. Tastes a lot like Vegemite. I like the original. You don't like that? Not really.
What about purists?
I grew up with Vegemite, and I'm afraid I like the original Vegemite. Actually, it's not bad. It's very nice.
But if it's not Vegemite, what should we call it?
Veggie cream. Cheese mite.
Cheesy mite.
It's not the first time the spreads makers have faced a naming challenge. A national competition was held in the 1800s, which resulted in the now famous name, Vegemite. Crafty Kraft is refusing to deny or confirm the new recipe, but says an announcement will be made on Sunday. Only time will tell if the new version proves.
You know what? This is used to they use matches used for brewing, and it's leftover.
Hundreds of fans have descended on London's Oxford Street to see soccer player David Beckham. I was looking at Google, but anyway, we're over here. They saw a whole lot more than they bargained for when the 34-year-old unveiled his new underwear campaign for Giorgio Armani. Critics are calling it the campest photo shoot yet, but it's done nothing to harm underwear sales. Surprisingly, they are up 100%.